Hangzhou, the capital of Zhejiang province in eastern China, is renowned for its picturesque West Lake, a UNESCO World Heritage Site that has inspired poets and artists for centuries. The area around West Lake features numerous pagodas, gardens, and historic sites, making it a popular destination for both domestic and international tourists. Hangzhou has a rich history dating back over 2,200 years, serving as a cultural and political center during several Chinese dynasties. The city was the southern terminus of the Grand Canal, the world's longest artificial waterway, which played a crucial role in trade and transport during ancient times. Hangzhou is famous for its Longjing tea, also known as Dragon Well tea, which is considered one of the top 10 teas in China and is noted for its delicate flavor and aroma. In addition to tea, Hangzhou is known for its silk production, with a history of sericulture that dates back thousands of years, contributing to the city's reputation as a silk capital. The city's cuisine is characterized by its emphasis on freshwater fish and other delicacies from the nearby lakes and rivers, with dishes such as West Lake fish in vinegar sauce being local favorites. Hangzhou has a thriving tech industry and is often referred to as China's Silicon Valley, housing major companies like Alibaba Group, which was founded by Jack Ma in 1999. The city boasts a modern, efficient public transportation system, including an extensive subway network that has expanded rapidly in recent years. Hangzhou is home to several ancient temples, including the Lingyin Temple, one of the largest and most famous Buddhist temples in China, known for its stunning architecture and serene atmosphere. The Six Harmonies Pagoda, located on the Qiantang River, is another iconic structure that dates back to the 10th century and offers panoramic views of the surrounding area. The city is famous for its bicycle culture, with numerous bike-sharing programs and dedicated cycling paths that encourage eco-friendly transportation. Hangzhou hosted the G20 summit in 2016, showcasing its growing international influence and commitment to global cooperation. The city has a humid subtropical climate, characterized by hot, humid summers and mild, damp winters, making it a year-round destination. The Hangzhou International Expo Center is a significant venue for trade shows and exhibitions, highlighting the city's role in international commerce. The Qiantang River, known for its impressive tidal bore, attracts both locals and tourists who come to witness the natural phenomenon, particularly during the autumn months. Hangzhou's ancient city wall, remnants of which still exist, offers a glimpse into the city's historical defenses and architectural style. The city is also home to the China National Silk Museum, which showcases the history and art of silk production, featuring ancient artifacts and contemporary silk artworks. The Hangzhou Botanical Garden is a sprawling area that features a diverse collection of plants, flowers, and themed gardens, making it a popular spot for nature lovers. Hangzhou is known for its innovative urban planning, which blends modern architecture with traditional Chinese elements, creating a unique cityscape. The city has a vibrant art scene, with numerous galleries, theaters, and cultural events that celebrate both traditional and contemporary Chinese art. Hangzhou's nightlife is bustling, with a variety of bars, restaurants, and live music venues that cater to both locals and visitors. The city is famous for its calligraphy and traditional Chinese painting, with many art schools and workshops available for those interested in learning these ancient crafts. Hangzhou's annual West Lake International Expo attracts entrepreneurs and innovators from around the world, fostering collaboration and investment in emerging technologies. The city has several universities, including Zhejiang University, which is one of the top universities in China and is known for its research and academic excellence. The ancient Southern Song Dynasty Guan Kiln, located in Hangzhou, is famous for its exquisite Celadon pottery, which has been treasured for centuries. Hangzhou's unique blend of modernity and tradition is reflected in its architecture, with skyscrapers coexisting alongside ancient temples and historical buildings. The city hosts the China Hangzhou International Tea Culture Expo, celebrating the rich tea culture and heritage of the region. Hangzhou is well connected to other major cities in China, with high-speed trains making travel to and from Shanghai, Nanjing, and Suzhou quick and convenient. The city is home to several lakes besides West Lake, including the scenic Sisi National Wetland Park, which is a haven for wildlife and a popular spot for ecotourism. Hangzhou's rich literary history is celebrated in its numerous literary festivals and events that honor famous poets and writers who were inspired by the city. The city has a thriving film industry, with several studios and production companies that contribute to the growing entertainment sector in China. Hangzhou's traditional tea houses offer visitors a chance to experience authentic tea ceremonies, showcasing the cultural significance of tea in Chinese society. The city has a strong emphasis on environmental sustainability, with initiatives aimed at preserving its natural beauty and promoting green technologies. Hangzhou's local markets, such as the Hefang Street Pedestrian Market, offer a vibrant atmosphere filled with street food, souvenirs, and traditional crafts. The city is known for its beautiful cherry blossoms, which attract visitors each spring and are celebrated during various festivals. Hangzhou is home to numerous parks and recreational areas, providing ample opportunities for outdoor activities such as hiking, boating, and picnicking. The city's historical sites include the tomb of General Yu Fei, a national hero whose legacy is honored through a memorial dedicated to his life and achievements. Hangzhou's cultural diversity is reflected in its festivals, which celebrate everything from traditional Chinese holidays to modern international events. The city's modern skyline is punctuated by innovative architectural designs, including the impressive Hangzhou International Financial Center. Hangzhou is a hub for traditional Chinese medicine, with many clinics and practitioners offering treatments based on ancient practices. The city has a reputation for hosting influential conferences and summits, positioning it as a key player in global discussions on trade and technology.